Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to demonstrate the difference between the grease from VMP Autos, synthetic grease for the new millennium, and the other grease is ceramic paste with whitening made from German. Before we proceed on the test, there's some equipment we need to use in demonstrating the test. First, 2 round steel metals. They're just ordinary metals. We have the tray, and we have sort of a long metal to use for application. But the most important thing we need is sort of a grill oven, which we would power up to 280 degrees centigrade. Then we can now put the steel metal with the grease on them to see the difference between the 2 greases. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open the synthetic grease from VMP Autos, Russia, St. Petersburg, and open gently and apply on the surface of the metal gently as well. Easy does it, easy, easy. Just about this is enough, or a little pinch more will be perfect. And we take the iron steel for smoothing on the surface of the metal steel, just like this. I will place it on the tray, clean this off, clean it off so that we don't have an interruption in both grease. And we do the same thing with the German grease, ceramic paste with whitening. Oh, stick. Same application. Sorry. And apply on the surface of the metal gently as well. The same application is required. Well, I have my own observations already from both applications. One is greasier, smoother, and one is just like the local paste we have, thick. But we'll just wait for the results and not judge by physical appearances. Thank you, Mr. Bassett. So the next thing to do is to place both metals into the grill oven of 280 degrees centigrade. And we hold on to it up to 30 minutes thereabouts. Between the 2 greases, and from what I can see, it's just about 10 minutes time. There's one with bubbles, and there's one that is just still the way it is. As you can see, the one from the German has bubbles, while the one made from VMP Autos on the other side still remains the way it is from the beginning.
Okay, let us continue. Now, close please. Wow.
And you can see the smoke.
More smoke.
And more bubbles.
And more bubbles.
From the grease made by the Germans. And you can see the one from VMP Autos.
At the left.
And the left is still the same.
the smoking sample on the right is a German paste, high temperature, Caliper paste. Okay, now 30 minutes. Okay.
Now we can see it's already 30 minutes and there's smoke coming out from the oven. The one on the right, okay.
So this has changed color. You see? This one.
From the VMPO2
Yes. Oh,
has
look
changed
this.
color, but is still
Oh.
But it is
Greasy?
still, but you see it is on the surface. The change of color occurs on the surface.
On the
but
surface.
Inside it is still bright.
Yes.
yes.
And the consistency is quite the same as it was
Yes.
before.
The consistency. We see the.
It's still
It's
remains.
still elastic.
It is still elastic and greasy.
And greasy, yeah.
I'll show how it's sticky. Okay.
It is still sticky.
Sticky.
It's hot, but when it will be.
Of course,
Yes,
it's still sticky.
It's still hot. The temperature is more than 250 degrees.
And it is still sticky.
Yes, okay.
And,
Change
and the only
this.
change we have is just on the surface. It doesn't affect the quality of the product.
Can you clean it?
Yes, clean it.
Thank you. Well, the grease from Germany.
Oh,
As a cracker biscuit.
ceramic paste from Germany. The temperature up to 1040 degrees. Too much, but what we see is like a stone.
Like a
Even
powder.
at the
Sand,
temperature,
sand.
a powder at the temperature 270 degrees, 30 minutes. It's terrible.
And it's all gone. So we can see the difference between a good quality grease and
Poor.
poor quality grease. Thank you.